Well, hello, everybody. Sorry I can't be there today. I wanted to quickly go through the subplans with you because you're going to continue taking a look at, well, hurricanes. We're going to start with today's do now, so make sure you copy this down on your do now sheet. What is meteorology? I'm going to give you a moment to think about that and use the picture. The picture is your guide. So take a moment, pause this video, and jot down what you think meteorology is. All right, welcome back. So, meteorology is the study of climate and weather patterns. So, why it rains in certain spots, why is it sunny in certain spots. So, these are all different ways that meteorologists can help predict the weather. For today, we just did the do now. I'm going to go over your objective, and then you're going to take a look at the introduction to the formation of hurricanes. Learning target. By the end of class, I will be able to identify key vocabulary associated with the origins of a hurricane. Language target. By the end of class, I'll be able to read and take notes on hurricanes. But first, take a look at this image. Here we've got a system of red dots and some funny looking little red symbols. Well, what does the red symbol mean? Why is this only tracking in this one particular spot? Where did the hurricane come from? How do you know? Why is that symbol in different points? So these are all questions a good meteorologist asks. Because again, this red symbol is a hurricane. Because again, it's in a key or a legend. Imagine that. But when you look at hurricanes, why is it that they start in Africa and end in the United States? Why? Why do they end in Mexico? Why do they end in Northern South America? Again, why are these things happening? A good meteorologist comes up with those questions. Meteorologists don't just get paid to be wrong. So those are things you have to think about as you look at these types of images. Because this map shows the course of a hurricane from the coast of Africa to the Caribbean Sea. Notice the storm passes through several locations on its journey. That's what we have the dates for. A hurricane is a dangerous form of extreme weather because when you look at our essential question, what causes extreme weather and how do people deal with it? That's what we're going to be focusing on. So yesterday, we had you working on the maps. We're going to come back to the map in a moment. For class today, I want you to work on the vocabulary. You are going to read section 2 with a partner or work by yourself. And then you're going to complete the geoterms. Do the definition and the sentences. Remember, in the sentences, use the word correctly. Don't just say there was El Nino. Write the sentence out. Use the word correctly. Keep the definition simple so you understand it. Keep it simple. Don't just make it too complicated. So set the timer for yourself. You're going to click present. Set the timer. Give yourself about 20 minutes to work on this. Then you will come back to this video. So you can pause the video at this time as you work on the definitions and then come back. All right, if you come back, that means you're ready for the next step. Read section 3 with the partner. So all you need to do is read section 3. So again, you read section 2 and you read section 3. The reading is in the textbook on pages 164 through about 167. So that's the sections you're going to be reading. Once you're done with all of that, I've given you a couple of videos and charts. Take a look at these. I'm going to explain these more in detail when I come back. So what all this stuff means. But once you see the stop sign, you are done for today. So make sure you've completed your map, which make sure you have a key, a legend, it's colored in, it's all set to go, and make sure your vocabulary is done for today. So thank you, everybody. I don't want to have any negative reports when I come back, so make sure you're doing what you need to do. Stack the textbooks up on the tables at the end of class like we normally do. And if you have any questions, make sure you email me. All right, everybody. I will see you when I return on Friday. Have a good one.